Hey everybody, this is Anu. Welcome back to Treasury Crafts. Subscribe to my channel, press bell icon and click all notification option so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. As Diwali is round the corner, Diwali is all about crackers, sweets, prayers and most importantly light. This craft is going to bring light into your home. So I'm repurposing empty pickle bottle. You can take any glass jar. So let's begin. Take about 1 tablespoon of white glue. You can even use clear glue. I'm going to show you two methods to paint the glass jar. First method is to use acrylic color. As this bottle is going to be the sea themed, so I'm using a blue color. You can even use sketch pen. I will show it later. Take a drop of dark blue color and mix it well with the glue. I need a lighter shade, so I'm adding a drop of light blue color also. Mix it well. Using flat brush, I'm going to apply 2 coats on the glass jar. Do watch my video without skipping so that you will know all important steps. Apply the glue mixture evenly onto the glass jar. You can repurpose any glass jar, for example, empty honey bottle, jam bottle. I'm just repurpose pickle bottle. This is a very simple craft. All you need is glass jar and seashells. Before applying second coat, let the first coat dry completely. Meanwhile, the glue mixture may get dried up. So I just transferred it into an empty paint bottle, or you can store it up in an airtight box. Because the first coat may take 15 to 30 minutes to dry. So yeah, let's give the second coat. It is not paint, it is just a glue mixture. I have transferred into an empty paint bottle. Apply the second coat evenly and allow it to dry. For the method 2, I'm using empty honey bottle. Take out the lid. For this method, I'm going to use a dark blue sketch pen. This is no more in use, it dried completely. With the help of the plier, pull out the cap and take out the sponge. Now take half a tablespoon of white glue. You can even use clear glue. Add about 4 to 5 drops of water to pull out the pigment from the sponge. If you need light blue shade similar to first bottle, use light blue sketch pen. Since I need a darker shade that of the first one, I'm using a dark blue sketch pen and adding 6 to 7 drops of pigment into the glue mixture. Mix it well. You can even use food color if you have. Apply 2 coats of this glue mixture onto the bottle and allow it to dry. So this is how it looks once it dried completely. So now you can compare the both bottle. I want to hang this cute little jar somewhere, so I'm making a handle with a wire. Take any metal wire and wrap it around the neck. Twist at the end using plier. Twist it tightly, so it should be tight because it is going to hold the handle. This wire is available in hardware shop. You can even get a jewelry making wire from any craft shops. So take another wire with help of the jar, make a curve shape, make loops at the end with the plier. Like this. Now insert it into the first wire like this and press it. trim off the excess wire. You can make the handle for the first jar too if you wish. Now it's time to decorate the jar. I'm going to use these shells which I have collected in my native place at a river bank, which is my favorite spot to enjoy in summer season. So yeah, I have collected different type of shells. I'm also going to use these beads. I didn't get these beads from a shop. I just collected it from stretched out hair bands and some kind of these beaded chains which are no more in use. Yes. So let's start decorating the jar with these shells. Use super glue to stick the seashell, or you can use glue gun. Stick randomly like this. For a pearl effect, I'm going to fix these beads into this shell. Consider subscribing my channel for more interesting craft ideas like this. Do recommend my channel to your friends and family. Do comment on what you think about this craft. You can also give your suggestions. Check description box to know details of the materials I use. Now apply Fevicol randomly and use that small blue white beads like this. This is completely optional. You can use only seashells to decorate your glass jar. Repeat the same for the little one too. As you can see, I have used small seashells to decorate this. You can use both the jars as a flower vase. I'm filling it with my handmade roses. Video of making it will be uploaded soon. So now you can compare both finished glass jars. I'm going to hang this little one somewhere like this. Doesn't it look cute? Yes. Now I will show you how to use this bigger one. You can use it as a lamp. I'm using this artificial tea light and placing it inside the jar. This will give you completely a different look and a glow in your home. You can also put in some flowers. You can use any LED strips or battery operated lights instead of tea lights. And that's all about the craft. I will show you the full view of this jar. Let me switch off the lights and show you in the dark. So this is how it looks in dark. Do try this for your Diwali decoration this year. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye bye.